today I'm gonna be making not one, not two, not three, but 4 different versions of Frank's Red Hot.
Frank's Red Hot sauce, Your Majesty. I put that on everything.
So last weekend we were at Borough Market, which is one of the biggest food markets in London. Whilst we were there, we thought, okay, well, we might as well pick up some chilies to make a new iteration of Mark's Red Hot. Mark really wanted to make these himself, obviously, but he started a new contract, and rather than have these expensive chilies sit on our counter and go to waste all week, I thought it was my obligation to make sure they get put to good use. I just Googled Frank's Red Hot, how to make it at home. If these are in the top search results on Google, they must be good. I'm gonna test out 4 Red Hot sauces today. So let's get cooking. These are gonna be key. There's actually a chili on the front. The thing is I only have 36 peppers in total, so I'm going to reduce these recipes in like half or a quarter to make sure I can make each one. So there was only one ingredient that I didn't have in the whole list, and that was bay leaves. So the one recipe that included bay leaves does not have it. I'm probably not going to do the recipe justice, but I attempted it. It's like 5 o'clock, but I'm gonna make Brooke's Red Hot sauce because I want to be able to eat some hot sauce tonight on some chicken wings, and there's no way I can eat any of these other versions because they are way too spicy. And I'm taking out all the seeds and the ribs of the chilies. I like some heat, but I'm not a maniac. That's sauce number 1.
Okay.
Number 2. Number 3.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Okay, I'm trying this one. Number 1. It's not that spicy. It's kind of sweet. Did you
Really?
add a sweetness to it?
No.
Okay, number 2. This tastes more like Frank's. That one's good. Number 2 is my favorite so far. Number 3. Nice red color. It's really similar to that one. Maybe a bit less spicy. This is number 4. It looks very thin and kind of watery, you know.
Yeah.
It doesn't really stick very well to the chicken leg. Yeah, I'd say it's not spicy. It's delicious. It's salty.
Too salty?
No. I'd probably say this was my favorite.
Number 2?
Number 2.
So
Good job.
verdict is number 2.
Yeah, verdict is number 2. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
Delicious. Delicious hot sauces, all of them.
Okay, so the verdict is in. The best Frank's Red Hot made at home out of all the recipes that I tried yesterday was recipe number 2 by measuringflour.com. When I was cooking it, vinegar basically evaporated from the pan, so I added more vinegar into the food processor as per the recipe instructions. I think I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons more vinegar. The end result was pretty great. It asked for bay leaves, lime juice, and paprika, but I did not have bay leaves. If you were gonna make this, I would definitely make sure you have some because I think it would add another dimension of flavor that would make it taste really awesome. If you want to make this chili sauce fun for the whole family, you should definitely take out the seeds and ribs because otherwise it's just way too spicy for everyone to enjoy. So if you're gonna make Frank's Red Hot sauce at home, definitely try out this recipe by measuringflour.com. I'll link to all of the recipes below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about these recipes that I made today, or if you have something that you want me to make or do like a review test on, please let me know. Subscribe to get notified of whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next week.